think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hello, good morning everyone. Saturday, another day. This is my vlog for today. Going to my sister-in-law's house to visit after 5 months renovation. And this is the road going to her house. It's a long way. How many hours? 30 minutes. What a nice day. Look guys, look at the sky. Wow, it's amazing. Hi guys! Ayun, karating lang namin. May duck. Look at that, may duck. Is that your duck? Is a wild duck? That one? Ayun guys, may duck. So here guys, nandito kami sa likodan ng bahay. Dito na lang ako magbe-video. Diyan sa lugar na yan guys, may mga ano dyan, may mga deer, yung mga usa, mga wild. Diyan sila mga naninirahan balik-balik. Very relaxing, may mga sounds ng ibon. Tapos sa kabila may ano pa. It reminds me of a fairy.
What? A fairy?
Yeah, a fairyland. With the birds.
Or did you come up with that?
With the birds singing. Ganda. Ganda ang ano ng sounds. So ayun nga guys, pauwi na kami. Ito na yun, same road. Going back home. Only short visit. So ayun guys, pauwi na kami and I hope you like this video. So ayan, mainit today. Konting cloudy. So ayun guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Just like and share. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.